Today feels actually really strange. There we go, 2 roast chicken dinners. Is this even in focus? Who bleeding knows? Good morning guys, and welcome to a brand new vlog. It's actually not morning time, it is currently 17 minutes past 1. I did want to start this vlog early this morning, but it's been so busy at work. I kind of like stopped and then I went and made lunch and then I was back on my laptop. I just haven't stopped all day. Today feels actually really strange. It's the first day that Mr. P has gone into the office in like 3 months. So like, me and Robin are home alone. Things are like back in the office Tuesdays and Fridays, so it's not like he's back full time yet, but yeah, slowly getting there. But I hope you are all well. I hope you had a good weekend. Yeah, I just want to start today's vlog as I'm working. It's so busy today. I have meeting after meeting, so I need to go and grab a drink and crack on my meetings, but I'll speak to you in a bit. So update time, it is a lot later on. 10 to 5, I finished work, went and took Robin for a walk, and then I zoomed up to Mary Hill because I needed to go and get a gift bag for my mom's birthday present. Her birthday is tomorrow. But I come home and now I'm just preparing dinner. I've decided tonight we're gonna have a roast chicken dinner with mashed potatoes, roasted parsnips, carrots, gravy, the full works. As you can see outside, it's very wet and dreary looking, so I feel like a roast dinner is the perfect meal when the weather is like this. Also, I need to tidy up because the kitchen is a complete mess. In the evening, I don't know what to say. I actually served up dinner and thought I'd show you what we have. So over here we have roast chicken. Then I actually pulled off some chicken for Robin for her tea. I made cheesy mashed potato. Then we have roasted carrots and roasted parsnips. Then we have a delicious chicken gravy cooking here. And then we also have some peas. About to plate this up and eat because I am very excited. There we go, 2 roast chicken dinners, looking lovely. About to eat this now, I'm very excited. Is this even in focus? Who bleeding knows? Oh my god, I'm driving in the car and it feels so strange. Guys, so update, it is later on. I'm just driving over to my mum and dad's house. It's my mum's birthday tomorrow. So I'm gonna take over the present now so she has it when she wakes up in the morning. I'm gonna go and I'll speak to you in a bit. Okay, poof. just editing this vlog, I remembered that I forgot to end it, so I thought I'd come on and end it this way just to make you smile. Anyway, thank you for watching. As always, if you aren't already, please hit that subscribe button and become part of the Luke's Life family. Give it a like, and yeah, I'll be back real soon with a brand new vlog. Okay, goodbye. Peace.